Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video, I'm just going to go over a few SEO tools and tricks you can start using, Andrew, to help grow your business. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So I couldn't find your website, so I'm just going to go over a quick few things from one of your top competitors, just kind of show you what we look at and what we could do for you. So first things first, I just typed in the keyword Tulsa roofer. I know you're a Tulsa, Oklahoma business, so therefore I went with your top competitor here, T-Tone Roofing. We can see their website's pretty nice, good design, but nothing that we couldn't do ourselves to build for you something similar or better. But what we look at first is actually the content. And I can tell just by looking that they definitely are meeting the content, but just in case, we can go ahead and run a quick SEO tool. Now, what this is, SEO Quake, it's a free plugin that you can get for free, like I said, on the Google App Store. And what it does, it just kind of shows us the face value of a website, just some things. Now, the quick thing we're going to look at here is they have 1,090 words on their homepage, so they're actually a little short. You want to have 1,500 words, and that's to be optimized with Google's algorithms. But the second reason is going to be that those keywords and how important those are. So like I said, this is one keyword, the whole thing. If I typed in Tulsa roofing, Roofing-Tulsa, Roofer-Tulsa, those are all separate keywords. Now, when looking, we can see exactly what those keywords are. So this is another tool I use called Ahrefs, which you can get again. This is $250 a month. And what we can see is they're being found. This is their website URL for 176 keywords. So if we look more in depth at those keywords, we can kind of see what they are and why it's so important. So as it loads, keywords are important because this is how you get found organically. So we see they have T-Town Roofing, Tulsa Roofing, Roofing Companies Tulsa, Tulsa Roofing Companies, Roofer Tulsa, Oklahoma. And why that's important is because we can look 250, 300, 350, 350, 200, 300, and the list goes on of how many people are searching for those exact words monthly. Now, just imagine getting a fraction of those, right? And Google actually did release that 80% of people don't scroll past the first page when they search things on Google. So you want to be in these top positions. And you can see like all of this traffic is very important because those are customers that you could be missing out on if they're not clicking on your website. Now, how do you get to the top spot? That's where you want to be, right? Well, that's going to be your offsite SEO in the form of backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? A backlink is it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, they transfer the power. So for example, if site A is pointing to site B, then site B would get power from site A. Now that's important because the power is what gives Google like the authority to put your website to the top. So that's how you get this higher DR. The higher DR, the higher chance you'll be on the first page of Google. Now, they have 874 backlinks with 151 referring domains. That's really good. So what you would need to do is get more backlinks, but it's more important than just having more of them. You want to make sure that they're quality backlinks. So for example, you would want them to be from good websites, as well as you would want them to have relevance to what you do. So for example, if you're a roofing company, you would want them from other roofing companies, roofing blogs, maybe manufacturers you use for like metal roofing or let's say shingles, things like that. You wouldn't want them coming from like Pizza Hut or McDonald's because that's not what you do for a living. Now, we talked about three things, right? So let's just do a really quick recap. We talked about 1,500 words minimum on the homepage. We discussed keywords and how relevant those are. And we discussed the importance of backlinking for your SEO. Now we can see where this really adds up because right here, they're getting 621 clicks a month. If you only converted a fraction of those, let's say 10%, that's 62 new customers a month. Just imagine what you could do with 62 new customers. Now, if you want to hear what else we can do and you want to go more in depth on how we could build your website, get it to the top of Google and ensure you're raking in all of those searches, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and I can be reached at 813-515-3488.